Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Confirm your avatar's health and limb responsiveness so removal won't cause injury. Once that's verified, sit with the cast support elevated and stable. This reduces swelling and keeps control. You or a helper should have a soft strap, damp cloth, and a mirror or camera to watch angles as you work. Begin loosening any external fasteners gently. Make small, deliberate movements to test for tight spots. Make sure to breathe steadily and communicate if you feel pain. Stop immediately if sharp pain occurs. You continue by working methodically along one edge, applying slow, even pressure to separate padding from skin. Use a safe cutting motion, small incremental cuts through the padding and outer shell, rather than large pulls. This prevents catching hair or skin. Keep the limb fully supported and check circulation frequently. Look for color, warmth, and sensation. Once a section is free, pause and smooth exposed skin with a damp cloth to remove debris. Then proceed to the next section. Make sure to communicate changes in feeling. You finish by easing the last shell pieces off with gentle, controlled motions while supporting the limb. Peel inner padding away by hand to avoid tools near skin. Once clear, inspect the skin thoroughly for cuts, pressure sores, swelling, unusual numbness, or discoloration. Those signs need prompt care. If you see concerning signs, elevate the limb and apply cold compress briefly, then contact medical or in-world support. Troubleshooting tip. If removal caused sudden pain or loss of sensation, stop, re-support the limb, and seek immediate evaluation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.